Hello, dental implant family. This is Alina Naraki again from Dental Arts San Diego. Today we're going to be talking about an interesting case of a traumatic injury for a young man named John. John always took very good care of his teeth. He brushed and flossed daily and visited us regularly for his checkups. However, one day while playing a friendly game of basketball with his friends, he took an accidental elbow to the face, which knocked out his front teeth. John was in shock. He was in pain, and all his friends immediately took him to the hospital. The doctors were there, examined him, and advised him to see us as soon as possible. So we had a look at John's teeth, and unfortunately, they were all severely damaged, and we decided to get them all removed. John was devastated. He could not imagine living with the rest of his life while missing his front teeth. Fortunately, there is an option that incorporates placing implants in the front to replicate missing teeth that John lost. And this is what we discussed with John, to place 2 implants and then later on, when they heal, to place an implant-supported bridge. John underwent the procedure, and although it took several months to complete, he was thrilled with the results. The bridge looked and felt just like his natural teeth. He could eat, speak, and smile with confidence again. Thank you so much for being our patient and putting your trust in us. Looking forward to talk to you about implants and implant-related topics. That was Alina Naraki.